Hi, this is CJ from 2Graphic for You, where I'll show you how to turn your signature into a digital signature with Photoshop. To get started, sign your signature on a piece of white paper. Then either take a picture or scan your signature. It's best to scan for the best results. Then once in Photoshop, select the crop tool and crop the signature. When you're done, hit the Enter key. Now go to Channels and select Red. Red has the highest contrast between the signature and the paper. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and Curves. Hold down the Alt key or the Option key and move the slider on the right to the left until the details around the signature disappear. Now do the same with the left while holding down the Alt key until you see all black in the signature. Now click OK. Now hold the Control or Command key and click on the thumbnail of the red channel. This will select the white areas. Now press Control or Command Shift I, and this will invert the selection. Now let's get back to layers. And we don't need this anymore, so hide this layer. If you can. Now create a solid color adjustment layer with whatever color you wish. And you can select any color you like. Then click OK. And there you have your digital signature with a transparent background, which you can save as a PNG. But now let's put the signature on a sample ID. So grab the Move tool and drag and drop it onto the badge. Press Ctrl T to resize it. Now the sample ID badge I got from freepik.com. Link will be in the description. And then hit Enter when you're done. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching.